How to fix verification code not received. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are not getting a verification code, then there might be a few reasons why. First, you can try to wait a minute or two as some services can be slow, especially during peak times. Next, go ahead and check all your inboxes correctly. For email codes, look into spam, junk, and promotions. Also, make sure the account has your current phone number or email and it is correct. Next, launch the settings application on your device and ensure you have cell service or Wi-Fi. If not, you can also try to toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds and then disable it again and restart your iPhone and see if that fixes your issue. If not, in settings again, tap on general and then on about. Here, make sure that the carrier issue have no problem. Sometimes carriers delay SMS. If possible, you can try another SIM or contact your mobile provider. Also, make sure that you are using a trusted device as codes may appear as a pop-up on another signed-in Apple device. You can go ahead and check all of them. And if you're still not being to get the code, then you can try to contact support for the specific service, for example, your bank or your email provider or Apple, etc. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix verification code not received. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.